Thanks for joining us, everybody. I'm Richard Ransom. First tonight, eye-opening new numbers about our community's drug problem. Would you believe the Memphis PD has already received more than 700 possible overdose calls this year? That means we are well on our way to beating last year's number when police received more than 2,000 overdose-related calls. And it's not just opioids or fentanyl either, but also over-the-counter medications and illegal drugs. Tonight, our Zaria Ose is here with how organizations are trying to combat the problem. Zaria?
Richard, organizations like Alliance Healthcare and A Better Way provide resources to people struggling with drug addiction, a serious battle happening right here in Memphis. Many of their volunteers are on the road to recovery themselves and just want to lend a helping hand.
I know when I was out there, nobody looked at me as a human. They saw me as a junkie, and that's not the case.
Brad Yockey dealt with addiction for years. He now works at A Better Way, an organization helping those struggling to get through the same recovery process.
I initially found out about it. I was in active drug use, and part of my hustle was to sell syringes, and I noticed that I wasn't selling as many syringes.
Giving out free syringes is just one of his job's main initiatives to keep people safe from reusing old syringes. A Better Way also performs HIV testing and outsources clients looking to recover from drug addiction to Alliance Healthcare. The healthcare system provides free in- and outpatient substance use services, mental health resources, and is expanding to an East Memphis outpatient site next week.
That Yale location is strictly for those acute outpatient services. So those individuals need just a little bit more love, a little bit more push, a little bit more check on. Our AOP or our acute outpatient program is going to be there to give them that extra push.
Brad says extra resources directly impacting someone in active addiction is one of the biggest roles helping in the recovery process.
I see people in recovery will, get their life back and, get that, a place to live and a car, and they forget that they need to work on their recovery, and they pick up and now they're dead. And it's sad. I'm tired of going to funerals.
Now, with the help of A Better Way and support from family and friends, Brad is in recovery and welcoming a new life into the world.
I was able to be present there, and those are the gifts that you can't put a price tag on,
A heartwarming story and only the beginning for A Better Way and Alliance Healthcare. Alliance's new outpatient center will open their doors on April 24th, focusing on mental health services and redirecting those dealing with addiction to their other locations. For immediate help, contact the number on your screen, 1-800-662-4357. Richard.